Hello everyone, welcome to MKTC Smart Information Center. Today I will talk about NTSE exam. What is NTSE? NTSE is a National Talent Search Examination which is conducted by NCERT. NCERT, National Council of Education and Research Training. This exam is conducted for granting scholarships to the meritorious students. This exam is conducted in the two stages. In the first stage, it is conducted at the state level and also conducted by all the Indian states and union territories. Stage number 2, it is conducted only for those students who cleared first stage. Now we will talk about some main objective of NTSE exam. NTSE exam is organized for granting the scholarship to all the potential candidates who are aspiring to pursue higher education in the field of science and SST. Now we will talk about NTSE scholarships. Around 2,000 scholarships are awarded for the each stage of education. For class 11th and 12th, the scholarship of ₹1,250 per month is awarded. For undergraduates and postgraduates, the scholarship of ₹2,000 per month is awarded. And for PhD, the scholarship amount is fixed in accordance with the UGC norms. Now we will talk about the eligibility criteria for stage 1 exam. According to NCERT, as from the 1st July 2020, the students who are below 18 years of age can appear for the exam. Also, he or she must be student of class 10th from any of the government school or private school. Also, the student who are studying in the open and the distance learning can appear for the exam. Now we will talk about the stage 2 eligibility criteria. Students who are studying abroad can appear for the stage 2 exam. Also, he or she must have 60% in the previous annual examination. And if selected, the candidates have to study in India for further education for getting the further scholarships. Now we will talk about NTSE exam pattern. In the NTSE exam, there are two stages. First stage exam conducted, that is mental ability test. And second stage exam conducted, that is scholastic aptitude test. In mental ability test, the questions are related to logical, reasoning and mental ability, and there are total 100 questions. And in the second stage exam, that is scholastic aptitude test, there are questions related to subjects, that is science, SST and maths. In science, there are total 40 questions, in SST also 40 questions, and in maths 20 questions. At last, in NTSE exam, in the stage 1 and stage 2, there is no negative marking. So, I hope you all get the information related to NTSE exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.